Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm in man with my sister Jared.
Hi guys.
So we are walk up and down and try look some things for Christmas, so come along with us and see what's going on. Near Sam.
Slippers. Crystal, look on this. Cutie. Slippers. Slippers. Cute. Cute. Cute, man. See the one that has a cool out the difference. Price super for the pan the box, you know? $800 for $800 in the box. Okay, I'm gonna mash up. I'm not gonna easily fuck on. You guys will be able to fuck my power. Curtain. They have comforter. This is Queen comforter. $2,400. Lingerie.
Like me, I'll do that now, you know me not do? In between that, in between after the pan, you better say.
I said, girl, they do it the first time.
Yeah, put it out.
Who this one?
So hey guys, I am inside this store and I'm looking a tripod stand from a phone, but I want one that can also hold a video camera. So now the guy is away looking for a ring light. So Okay, that's the ring light. So guys, that is the ring light. How much for that one?
Hold on. And Mary, how much?
And this can attach on this.
No, we've tried.
It can attach on. So what's the stand for this one?
No.
That doesn't come with a stand?
No, it doesn't come with a stand.
So when we going to put that then?
We tried all day to try and fit it on every different way we can. Hold on, this is the price.
So guys, this is for like $6 grand, and to me it looks kind of fragile. I don't know. And this is going to be my first tripod stand if I decide to buy it. So guys, I'm still here at the store and we are looking at some
the red one.
at some presents for Christmas to give as Christmas gifts. And
Hello.
this is
Giovanni.
and we are here at
Jewelers.
okay.
This actually looks good. But I have no piercing.
So guys, this looks really nice.
And it actually comes. How much is this?
And it comes with the case. Let me show you guys the case. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is nice. This is nice. Girl can store all her stuff in here, stuff up and running. It's so cute. It's cute. Cheap and look good, guys. All about cheap. Clean and look good. Cheap and look good.
But you couldn't purchase and disappear.
No, see, at this we decide on this.
So, you see, you're not even come for look for the one that show the piece.
But we don't come back. We don't
You can show me some more. So guys, I'm here. I'm looking Christmas presents for everyone in the family. So we're looking at, this is a purse and a watch.
You sure it's your purse?
A purse, man. Wow, this looks nice also. So you have a watch right there, you have a bracelet, you have earrings, and you have a necklace.
Like this, I have no.
My sister like this. One of them get her if you're Christmas.
No, because I can't wear the earring. I have to go give you about the earring.
No, you can't give me the earring.
No,
Still,
I have no piercing.
Our hair is not fair.
I can't manage it.
Why?
I do it about 2 or 3 times. Like forever for well up. The if I well it part me at that one.
Just like 2 weeks.
Hey, let me snap mirror. Mirror over there, so. Yeah.
Not for sale.
Not for sale?
No.
Cute though, I want one of them. That nice, how much for that?
$39.
$39 for it, nice though. People can come buy me this. Just for the case alone. Case look nice,
Tell
bad.
him which part you there find something.
These are some more watches. Oh, these look nice. A big money them are doing now?
$7,900. They buy mask up, they give $75.
That's some big money them are. I'm looking at some cute watches. Oh my god, this is cute with the lip on it. This is cute. Guys, I am going over to Treasure Box right now. So let's see what their prices on their tripod stands are over here. And then my thinking I look good enough stand. Yeah. So guys, this is Treasure Box. They have tripod stands or ring light stand. Can I see it, please? That. Say little. Bright.
Nothing.
Yeah. Do you mind being in a video? Okay, you want to move or something?
Oh, you want to move?
I said, do you mind being the video or do you want? Oh. So this is the tripod stand and the ring light board. I don't know. This one stuck onto the desk or something. Don't have it on stand. You can plug it in. Let me see it, please. So guys, this is not a promotional video for Treasure Box. I'm just here looking at ring light. As you can see, there's a variety of stuff down here. So guys, this is how bright it is. I think it's very bright. It's very bright, man. What's the price on this? 3,994. 4,000. Okay. So guys, we're in a different store right now. My sister is looking at some pants. So guys, just a quick update on how my ganja plant is coming along. So you see the bud them come along pretty. Now ganja have many names. As I said, ganja, weed, cannabis, marijuana, herb, pot, grass, bud, Mary Jane, and so on and so forth. But I think the right name for ganja is cannabis, as people are say. Now ganja can be smoked, can take it bake in a cake, bake in a sweetie or whatever, and it can also be used in smoothies, and you can take it, turn in an oil and name something there, and it can be used for medical purposes. Don't know them do it in the lab and all them things there, but them take it and make all these medicines and so forth. Now ganja is good for pain. It regulates and prevents diabetes. It fights against cancer, help you to lose weight. How it gonna make you lose weight though? By smoking it. Every small miss smoke ganja always near me for food, so I don't understand that part there. They say it improve your lung capacity, help to relieve chronic pains, help to treat depression, help to treat depression. Now guys, I'm not a doctor. I'm just saying what I'm just telling you guys what I saw on the internet. And they say mend bones, treat glaucoma. I think I've heard that before. Say, yeah, bun weed and thing. It help your eyesight and all them, something there. So I don't know guys. So just a disclaimer, I'm not telling you guys to go ahead and burn weed because not everybody can manage weed. I remember I baked a ganja cake once. Yo, give me a high. Trust me, give me a high. So people, if you're not in the right frame of mind, do not go ahead and burn ganja. Trust me, it will mad you if you don't understand it. Like how ganja kind of legal now in Jamaica, but you can go to this herbal shop and buy some weed, or if you don't want to come check me for that piece of ganja, yeah. It's for sale. So this is at the process where, yeah, you can so cut you now. When you see them look white part there, so the look white part at the top there, when you see them start get dark, that means say yo, ganja ready for cut and ready for dry down and all these things. Yo, it smells strong and it's very gummy. So this is the part that you smoke. See them bud things there, so that bud, that's the part you smoke or take and bake. And you can also boil the leaves and make tea. You can make ganja tea. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment and share. Bye for now.